So let's start with today's Mysore Pak recipe. Now here I'm going to start by greasing a tray with some ghee. This is very important that you keep your tray ready. And then I'm going to just line it with some butter paper because it becomes easier to lift the Mysore Pak once it's all ready. So do this first before you start making the Mysore Pak. Now, next I'm going to take half a cup of chickpea flour or besan and I'm going to sift it or sieve it. Don't skip this step. Sieve it so that there are no lumps and we get a very smooth kind of Mysore Pak. Now next we're going to prepare a sugar syrup. So I've taken 1/4 cup of water to which I'm going to add 1 cup of sugar, regular sugar. First we're going to stir the sugar and the water till all of the sugar dissolves. And then we're going to cook the mixture till we get a one thread consistency. In the meantime, I'm going to heat up 1 cup of ghee at the side. Now just take a wooden spoon or a ladle and just coat the back of it with the sugar syrup. Ensure that it's completely cooled down. And then with your fingers, just check for the one thread consistency. So don't touch the liquid when it's hot. Once it cools down, just blow on it, and then when it becomes nice and where you can handle it, just pick it up between your thumb and your forefinger, and you should get this one thread consistency. That means your sugar syrup is ready. So now once the sugar syrup is ready, we're going to add our sifted we're going to lower the flame and we are going to add the sifted besan or chickpea flour to this sugar syrup. And then we're going to stir the besan really well into the sugar syrup. So on a very low flame, keep stirring till all of the chickpea flour gets into the sugar syrup. This is also very, very important. You shouldn't have any dry chickpea flour. So just scrape down the sides also. And mix everything really, really well. And now we have the hot ghee which is ready. So we're going to pour a little at a time and keep stirring on a very low flame. Now we're going to repeat this process till all of the ghee is used up. And you will see as you keep stirring that the ghee starts to dry up. First you will feel, oh God, this is so much of ghee, but you will see the end result. And just keep adding all of the ghee till you use up all of the ghee. So add a little at a time. Remember, our gas is on a very low flame. So keep stirring it and you will see how all of the ghee gets absorbed into this besan and sugar syrup. So use a wooden spoon with a long handle. It's very, very hot, so please take care while you're making this. And keep on stirring it till it starts to leave the sides of the pan. You will get this beautiful aroma in your kitchen of, you can almost, the Mysore Pak aroma is, it's already there. You can feel it. So you'll know, okay, fine, I'm at the right spot. So just keep on adding the ghee. Don't worry about the ghee. It's all going to go into the Mysore Pak. So use up all of that 1 cup of ghee and keep mixing it till it leaves the sides of the pan. Now immediately transfer this into the prepared tray. Once it's ready, just turn off the flame and immediately put it into the tray. And then you're just going to even it out and flatten it out completely and leave it aside to completely set for 2 hours. Don't be in a hurry to demold it. Press it down really tightly and keep it aside for 2 hours to completely cool. And then you can cut up some squares once it cools after 2 hours, and then again wait for another 30 minutes at least before you demold it, and you get this delicious Mysore Pak. So I hope you try out this recipe, guys. It's really, really delicious. and it's a must try. So I'll catch you in my next video. This is Akshita signing off. Take care, guys. Bye.
Friends, I hope you liked today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also, by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshita's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshita saying bye. Take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.